Hello everyone. Today I'm here for the tutorial on Adobe XD using designing for a mobile device. This is the second video for Adobe XD, but if you haven't watched the first video, it's fine. I'm gonna start with something basic, and we're gonna work on a project together, and we'll create something. So, uh, stay tuned. For this first video, we are going to create a layout on iPhone. Here you can see that here you can see that uh, there are several options when you open Adobe XD. You can log in using your UNM account. If you have any problem logging in, please go to creativecampus.unm.edu and follow the instructions. Or you can also let us know in the comment section, and we can or you you can fill out the form in Creative Campus, where you can find one and we'll reach out to you. Here you can see on your left there are several options. There is one home, where you can see all the past projects that you've created and learn cloud documents that you have, files that are being shared with you, files that you've recently deleted, and manage all the links. So here, when you go to home, you can see that there are several options for you to create. One is iPhone, the other one is web, and other one is Instagram story. And also you can create for a custom size that you'd like. And here you can see, just like I mentioned earlier, it has all the past projects that you've worked with. We are going to start for an iPhone layout. This is what you can see. This is what you can see when you open an iPhone layout. Here on your left, you can see there are several tools. One is select, one is a rectangle, circle, triangle, and this is a straight line and a pen and text. And also this one is used to create new artboard. Let's say if I want new one, I could just select which one I want, and there's one new layout that you get. You can click delete to delete particular page or element when you select. And this is a search button. We are going to skip that. These are on your design, and on your there are which we are going to two more options, protocol and share, which we are going to go in the second video. So please stay tuned for that. And here are some options which we are going to explore as we use them. Here you can this is how the sample looks like. If we are going to create something for an iPhone, I would recommend going to get UI kits for Apple iOS. When you go to that, you get redirected to Apple website, and you can go over here and download one for iOS 13 or 14 or any iOS that's currently latest, and you can download that. And after that, after the download, this is what you are going to get. You can just open it, and open the one with UI elements, and open the one with iPhone, because we are working with iPhone right now. And after this is open, it takes a while to open because there are a lot of elements that it needs to load. Once it's open, you can see that there are all kind of templates and elements that you might need using creating UI for iPhone. There are all kind of colors, materials, text, style, and here you can see all kind of layouts, designs, home screens, wallet, Apple Pay, and all kind of things you might need during designing an iPhone app. So I think this is a pretty helpful tool. So I'd recommend using this. Let's see. We definitely want to create these, and we can have them. Here you can see that since we are going to use this consistently throughout all the pages, I recommending creating a layout that is same for all the pages, and then duplicating it so that you don't have to do this all the time. Uh, this is going to be a home, home login page, so I'm going to rename it. Having the name might be useful because if there are multiple files, the title are very useful. I'm going to create a big circle and maybe fill it with some colors. And I can also use linear gradients. Here you can see I can maybe choose for this, and for the other side I can choose this. If I select that again, I have an option to work with, or I can, for these, I can also choose it this way. And you can see I can also work it this way, and maybe I can change the color. And right now, as you can see, we just lost the title we had earlier. So we want it to click right and send it in the back, and we can do for both of them. We want to send this background in the back. Okay, this is my first send to back. Since both of them are in back now, you can see this one is in front, so this looks like this. So maybe we want to create login. That means we need four lines that are going to be white in color, and maybe we want, and also I forgot that we might want to remove the borders for these. Mm, we can increase the thickness. I don't think we need that big, so I'll make something with 2. Now here you can see that you can copy paste several times. 1. When you see the pink color, it makes sure that uh, there is identical space between them, and when you see the blue line, it makes sure they are aligned. If you want to make sure that your first that your first line is aligned in the center, you can see the line. This says that it's in the center. So if I want to have it in the center, now there we go. Now you can see all all elements are aligned. Now you can press on the text first name, and I don't think this is in the center, so I can, yep, now it's in the center. I can do the same thing, but then I'll need to change first to last name. Now you're going to see it's gonna be different, so you have to realign them. I can copy paste email, and I'll paste it one last time. Phone. Now let's realign them in the center. Yep. So having the alignment tool can be really helpful when you are trying to align in the center. Now we want to create an button for the sign up. So we can, if you are familiar with Adobe products, then you've probably seen how you do this. But then if you want to change the curvature of the edge, you can simply scroll it and change it the way you like. Now I would like to fill it with some color. Let's see how. No, 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 no. Okay, I know this doesn't look good, but then for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose this particular color. And also you can see that you can also select align. I'm going to paste this and maybe change the color for this to white. No, to white, and sign up. I can also, if I like to insert some images, let's say I want to add an option saying sign in using Google or Facebook, I can import import them from my local machine. So PNG, I have Google. Here you can see this is not the right dimension, so I'm going to change them. These are going to be way smaller. I just need these. So it's going to be here. Yep. Google, and I'll also import one for Facebook. Let's see. I think, oh, yep. I don't think, yeah. And we can add one more text saying sign up using, and then maybe fill it with all black. And maybe bring to the front. Oh, yep. This is how you can create a home page. Right now you can see that my color choices aren't so good, and maybe you could do something with design, something else you'd like to do. But then since you know how to use them, you can create anything that you'd like. I'm going to continue this in the second video. Please stay tuned. And if you have any question, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.